Hi guys! Today I'll show you how to make potato cheese patties. These are a perfect snack with tea or after school for kids. And yes, I've even made these for a quick dinner. I'm using 2 pounds, almost a kilogram of russet potatoes, 1 medium yellow onion, 3/4 of a teaspoon salt, half a teaspoon of ground black pepper, and half a teaspoon garlic powder, flat leaf parsley, about 1/4 cup. You can substitute cilantro or coriander leaves if you'd like. We also need a half a cup of cheddar cheese. Put a clean cloth in a bowl. We'll grate the potatoes and onions and squeeze the liquid out in the cloth. I'm using the largest holes of my box grater to grate the potato. Put it right on the cloth. Grate the onion. Should give you about half a cup. See how much water is in there. Keep this onion aside while we squeeze the liquid out of the potatoes. Gather the cloth up and squeeze. See how dry the potatoes are now. Squeeze the onions and add them to the bowl. Salt, pepper, garlic powder, chopped parsley, and shredded cheese. Give this a mix and add 1 egg to bind it. Now they just hold together so you can fry them easily. You can add another egg or a little bit of breadcrumbs if you need to. Heat up a pan with enough oil to coat the bottom of it. Put about 2 heaping tablespoons of the mixture into the pan and spread it out a bit. Cook for a few minutes on each side until golden brown. You can see the cheese is melting nicely. Drain them on paper towels. They're crispy on the outside and cooked on the inside. As you're making the patties, there will be liquid collecting at the bottom of the bowl. Take a heaping spoonful of the mixture away from the liquid since you don't want that in the pan. These potato cheese patties are perfect with ketchup. They're easy and quick to make, so I hope you give them a try. Subscribe for more recipes and I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.